Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. I'm your English teacher. I'm very glad to teach you through this online academic section. Today, we are going to deal with the first unit, Aspire to Win. It's really an inspiring one. In this unit, the lesson Race is a story of a boy who suffered a lot to achieve his career. And it is going to be an inspirational chapter for you also. The author of the story is Nisha Punjabi, who is an Indian freelance writer. The Race is an award-winning story in the sports category competition. Also, we can see a lot of short films based on this story. I am personally impressed in this lesson and I hope it will be the same for you. I'd like to make you remember some of the quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, END means efforts never dies. The next one is, if you get no as an answer, remember NO means next opportunity. So let's always be positive. Okay, now let us start our lesson. The Race by Nisha Punjabi. Tarun was a mediocre student. His grades could barely satisfy his parents, and he was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. He always thought of himself as a black sheep of the family. His elder brother, who was pursuing degree in engineering from a reputed college, always made the family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything like that. Tarun is a main character in this story, and he is a mediocre student. Mediocre means average. And his marks never satisfied his parents. Also, he was not at all good at painting, singing, dancing, or acting. He always thought himself as a black sheep of the family. The word black sheep is an idiom here. It means an odd person in a group or a family. But his elder brother was an engineering student. He was pursuing his degree in a reputed college. The word pursuing means doing. Reputed means a well-known college, and this made his family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything. However, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He would run for hours, be it day or night. Whenever he felt sad and lonely, he exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent-up emotions. At times, he would miss his school bus and would then run to school, which was 5 miles away from his home. He just had one dream, to become the fastest runner in the world. However, Tarun was blessed with the strength of athlete. That is, he was an excellent runner. He would run for hours whenever he felt sad and lonely. He made himself exhausted by running. Exhausted means tired, until he is released from the pent-up emotion. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. On the other hand, he belonged to a middle-class family, and Tarun knew that to achieve his dream, he needed an intensive training, the amount for which was well beyond his family's reach. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream because he did not get any support from his parents. They always asked him to concentrate on his studies. He also knew that to achieve his dream, he needed an intensive training. Intensive means deep or thorough. But as a middle class family, his family is not able to pay for the training. When Tarun failed in his terminal examination, his father was very angry with him. His friends too made fun of him. It was a day he wanted to wipe out from his memory, and so he took to running. He ran all around the park. The sun beat down to check his rage, but nothing could stop Tarun. After about an hour, he was fully exhausted, and his fury having subsided, he threw himself on a bench and started panting heavily. Tarun failed in his terminal examination. and his father was very angry with him. His friends too laughed at him. Tarun hated that day, and to forget his sadness, he started running around the park. The sun beat down to check. Beat down means shine brightly. To check his rage. Rage means uncontrollable anger, but could not stop Tarun. After an hour, he fully exhausted. Exhausted means tired, and his fury having subsided. Fury means anger. Being reduced. Subsided means reduced. He threw himself on a bench and started panting heavily. Threw. The word threw means forcefully sitting on a bench. And he sat on a bench forcefully and started panting heavily. Panting means deep breath. Taking a deep breath. Okay, from this passage, we got a clear idea that Tarun is an average student and had a very good passion to become an athlete. But to reach his dream, he did not get any support from his parents. So he was very much depressed. Students, wait anxiously till the next class to know what happened to Tarun.